Guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you're all doing well. So if you're new to my channel or you're watching my videos for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, that red color button which is at the right side. Hit that subscribe button, and next to that there's a bell icon as well. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I posted a new video you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. So let's just talk about today's video now. So today's video is something about this look. This is a summery peachy look, like summers are around the corner. So that's why I thought to make a summery peachy look, like a cool tone look for you guys. So as you can see, I have not used any concealer or any color correctors because I don't want to go with a heavy look. I just want to go with a summery look. Like this look should not be covered up with so many layers, so that's why I just used one layer. So if you want to know how I created this look, so please keep on watching. Starting off with the moisturizer, I'm taking this Chronocare moisturizing cream. Doesn't matter, either it's winters or it's summers, you have to prep up your face with a moisturizer like every day or even before doing any kind of makeup. So next I'm going in with this CC cream. This is Seasoul HD Finish CC cream. I'm in the shade medium, and this really works wonder for acne prone skin that I have, and it gives you like a medium coverage. And you cannot work with a beauty blender with this CC cream. You cannot blend it with a beauty blender, so that's why I'm using this foundation brush. This is pack 005, and initially it will give you a yellow tone, but after 1 minute it will just sets up on your like skin, that it exactly matches your skin tone, and it will give you a natural and a weightless look. So yeah. And next I'm going in with this sugar compact. As you can see from the logo, this compact is from Sugar, and you have to cover up your face with powder products on the top of the creme product. So that's what I'm doing right now, and it's really important in summers to not to get greasy look, not to get a patchy look onto your face. So just set up your face with a compact powders or any kind of powders on the top of the creme products. So I'm using the sponge itself which comes with this compact powder. So next I am going in with the eye. So for that I'm using this peachy color onto my brow, and I'm on my crease, sorry, and I'm taking a blending brush, and I'm going like a back and forth, back and forth, and back and forth to just get something on my crease. So yeah, next I'm taking this pastel pink color, not to get a heavy duty look onto my eyes. So I'm just going in with a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm taking that pastel pink color and I'm going it on the lids. That's it. And now I'm taking that same peach color and I'm working on under my waterline to just get a smudgy and a peachy look under my eyes. Next I'm taking this in color eyeliner pencil. I'm just going with this. I'm not going in with sketch liners, I'm not going in with any kind of liquid liners. I just want a natural look, that's why I'm using this one. And next I'm just going to tightline my eyes with that same in color eyeliner pencil. And next I'm just going to work onto my outer V corner on the waterline. As you can see here, I'm not going on all over my waterline, I'm just working on my outer V corner of the waterline. And now I'm taking a smudging brush and I'm just smudge everything out wherever I have applied that in color eyeliner pencil to just get a natural look. So it should look something like this, a natural finish look. Okay, so next I'm going in with this eyebrow pencil. This is from Sugar, and it comes with a spoolie, and I'm just going to set up everything out with a spoolie, and then I am going in with the product and I'm just filling in like, and yes, this product, like this Sugar eyebrow pencil, will give you a natural finish look, and yes, it fills your eyebrows like so good. I'm in the shade Top, but yes, you cannot go in with a sharp eyebrow look. You cannot have the sharp eyebrow look with this product, but yes, a natural finish look for sure. So you can see the difference, guys. Now I'm done with the both. Okay, next I'm just going to highlight my brow bone and inner corners. And yes, this is a skippable step. If you don't want to highlight it, you can skip this step totally. I love to highlight my eyebrow and my inner corners. I love doing this, so that's why I'm doing this. If you don't want to, you can just skip this step simply. Okay, And next is, okay, so this is the kajal. This is a white kajal. I'm using it. This kajal is from yeah, pack again. So I'm just going on to my waterline, and with this you will feel your eyes look more bigger, and it's just like opened eyes, you will feel like that. And then I'm using this mascara. This mascara is from ML. Yes, this mascara is from Matte Look, and I'm not going in with any kind of false lashes because you cannot carry false lashes like every day. That's why I'm using the simplest mascara. And next I'm just bronzing up my face again. I love to bronze up the face. If you don't want to, you can skip this step totally. You can skip this and you can go on directly on the blusher, but I love to give a sculpted look onto my face. That's why I'm using a bronzer. And then I'm using this blusher come highlighter, like it comes in a both. I'm using this one. This is from the one Oriflame, and I love this one for everyday look. It will give you like a very natural blushy look, natural highlighted look onto your face, as you can see here. Oh, I always forgot to bronze up my nose, so that's what I'm doing right now. Again, I love to do that. That's what I'm doing. It's a skippable step. So next I'm just going to line up my lips, and this is from pack again. This is in the shade mauve, and I love to fill my lips with this, and I'm not happy with this, but I want to give a little look again more, so that's why I'm using this lip color from, this is a lip crayon from Sugar. I don't know why I love each and every product from Sugar. I love each and every product. So yeah, this is the peachy look I want. So next I'm just going to set everything out, which is like a most important part in summers, to set everything out. This is it for today, guys. As you can see how you can create a summery peachy look. And yes, if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Taruneet Kaur. It's free, guys, so do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.